In this episode, the construction team checks whether server racks will be delivered on time. They track asset status on ACC, add key details, and raise an issue linked to a potential cost impact so the right people can act on it. Welcome to episode 9 of our data center series. It's important to make sure critical equipment stays on track. We start with the familiar reality of spreadsheet based asset register, but we can quickly shift to connected approach using Autodesk Construction Cloud, where racks are managed as assets. From a phone or tablet with a live status, we can update procurement progress like changing it to in production so everyone has a same real-time view. When a final location question comes up, we raise an issue directly from the model, assign it to the engineering owner. We can describe the issue, set dates, and update the metadata, keeping the discussion anchored to the exact asset and the context. Because field issues can carry commercial risk, we connect the issues to a potential change order through cost management, giving early visibility and traceability. If resolution impacts cost, the outcome is single connected workflow that ties delivery status, field execution, and cost all together. Here we used Autodesk Construction Cloud Build to manage assets, update statuses, and metadata, linked document from Autodesk Docs, and created an issues tied to potential change order, keeping field status, design questions, and commercial risk connected in one place.